Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install Thunderstore mod manager in just a few steps. So this is a mod manager for a lot of games which will allow you to install mods in just a few seconds. So let's begin. The first thing you're gonna do is go to thunderstore.io, and here you need to get the Thunderstore app. So just click this button and get the app. Now you need to open the file you just downloaded, and you need to follow the steps of the installation, which is very user friendly, and you just need to configure it however you want. In my case, I would leave it like this. And now you need to wait a few seconds depending on your internet speed. And once it has been downloaded, you can launch it. It will take a little bit longer than usual because it's the first time you open it. And now you can just search for any game you want. You can begin installing mods. You just need to go to your game, create a new profile. Alright. And that's it. Now you can go here to the mod list and search for any mod you want to install. For example, if I want to install a mod menu for content warning, I can just search it and download it. And now you can go here to my mods, and you will find the list of all your downloaded mods for this game, and you can enable or disable any mod. And if you want to run the game, you just need to click this button right here, and it will launch with the mods installed. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.